Do you know the importance of fats in our body? Many of us have been conditioned to see fats as the enemy, but the truth is, our bodies need fats to function correctly. Fats are a crucial part of the body's structure, forming the building blocks of cells. They also play a vital role in hormone production, helping to regulate many bodily functions. Furthermore, fats are an essential energy source, providing more than twice the energy of carbohydrates or proteins. They also aid in the absorption of vitamins A, D, E, and K, the so-called fat-soluble vitamins. But not all fats are created equal. There are good fats and bad fats, healthy sources and unhealthy sources. The key is understanding the different types of fats and their roles in our bodies. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive into the different types of fats and what they do in our bodies. First up, we have saturated and unsaturated fats. While both types of fats have distinct differences that come into play in our diets and overall health. Saturated fats, for starters, are typically solid at room temperature. Think of that slab of butter in your fridge or the marbling in a juicy steak. These fats are primarily found in animal products like meat and dairy, but also in tropical oils like coconut and palm oil. Now, while these fats aren't inherently evil, they can raise the level of cholesterol in your blood if consumed excessively, leading to heart disease. So the key here is moderation. Now, on the flip side of the coin, we have unsaturated fats. These are usually liquid at room temperature and come predominantly from plants. Picture the golden stream of olive oil or the soft, creamy texture of an avocado. These fats can be further broken down into monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, but we'll get to those later. Unsaturated fats are the good guys in the fat world. They help reduce the levels of bad cholesterol in your bloodstream and increase the good cholesterol. This makes them a heart-friendly choice. Foods rich in unsaturated fats include nuts, seeds, fish, and vegetable oils like olive, canola, and sunflower oil. But here's the catch. Even though unsaturated fats are beneficial, they're still fats. In general, are high in calories. So, while swapping out saturated fats for unsaturated ones can be a healthier choice, it's still important to keep an eye on your total fat intake. In essence, when it comes to fats, it's all about balanced diet. So remember, not all fats are created equal. It's about balancing these fats that matters. Next, we move on to monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These are the types of fats you'll want to befriend on your health journey. Monounsaturated fats found in foods like avocados, almonds, and olive oil play a crucial role in reducing bad cholesterol levels and providing the nutrients that help develop and maintain your body's cells. Now, let's turn to polyunsaturated fats. These gems, found in foods like walnuts, sunflower seeds, and fatty fish, are packed with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids that our bodies can't produce on their own. They support heart health by reducing cholesterol levels, and they also play a key role in brain function and cell growth. But here's the catch. While these fats are beneficial, they should still be consumed in moderation. Overindulgence can lead to weight gain and other health issues. As you can see, these fats are essential for our health, but it's all about balance and moderation. Now let's talk about omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These are types of polyunsaturated fats and they play an essential role in our body functioning. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in foods like fatty fish, walnuts, and flax seeds, are crucial for brain health. They support memory and cognitive function, and they're also known for their anti-inflammatory properties. On the other hand, omega-6 fatty acids, found in foods like vegetable oils, nuts, and seeds, are also important for our body, particularly for normal growth and development. But here's the catch. While these fatty acids are essential, the balance between omega-3 and omega-6 is crucial too. A diet high in omega-6 and low in omega-3 can lead to excessive inflammation, which is linked to various health issues. So, omega-3 and omega-6 are vital for our body, but we need to ensure a balanced intake. Finally, let's understand the overall role of fats in our body and the importance of balanced intake. Fats, often misunderstood, are vital nutrients with several key functions. Firstly, fats are a significant source of energy. When you're out of carbohydrates, your body turns to fat reserves to keep itself running. Secondly, fats are crucial for cell structure. They form the main component of cell membranes, ensuring that each cell in your body functions correctly. Thirdly, fats play a leading role in hormone production. They assist in creating hormones that regulate a myriad of bodily functions, from inflammation to blood clotting. Lastly, fats aid in nutrient absorption. They help your body absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are fat-soluble and essential for good health. Now let's look at how fats impact our health. A balanced intake of healthy fats is vital for heart health. They help to lower levels of harmful cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. Fats are also crucial for brain health. Did you know that about 60% of your brain is fat? So, a diet rich in essential fats helps in maintaining optimal brain function. When it comes to weight management, fats have often been demonized. However, they can actually help in weight loss. Healthy fats keep you feeling satisfied, reducing the temptation for unhealthy snacking. Fats also have a role in controlling inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids in particular have anti-inflammatory properties that can help in managing conditions like arthritis. Achieving a balanced intake is all about making smart choices. Swap out unhealthy sources of fats like processed foods for healthier alternatives like avocados, nuts, and oily fish. Remember, moderation is key. While fats are essential, they are also high in calories. Remember, fats are not the enemy. It's about understanding them and making smart choices for a balanced diet.